Christopher is the lead reliability engineer at a thermal power plant. His company is adopting condition-based asset surveillance to prevent critical electrical equipment from failing. Christopher needs a temperature surveillance system to provide early detection and warning of potential issues on electrical assets such as switchgear, switchboards, panel board, and transformers. Failing electrical connections produce heat inside the enclosed panel, raising the internal ambient temperature. His research shows that systems available are either hardwired thermocouples, hardwired infrared camera, or wireless area temperature monitoring. The hardwired systems require a power supply, a data hub to collect data, communication vectors such as the internet, and fixed, hardwired connections to each and every component that needs to be monitored. The hardwired infrared camera systems have another problem. They are limited by their field of view since the camera and sensors can only measure what they see, and they also can't properly focus on targets that are too close to the camera. Much of Christopher's equipment is very compact. Both of these systems are costly, very difficult to install, and they rely on internet connections that could be compromised from outside sources, potentially violating government regulations. The Delta T alert system uses area sensors designed to detect a rise in the internal ambient temperature of the enclosed panel and issue an alert when the temperature exceeds preset limits. The system requires only one easy-to-install wireless sensor per panel, with options for battery or USB power, with multiple sensors communicating back to the gateways located on your local or remote network. Since components are not individually hardwired, the Delta T alert system is much more economical and super simple to install, and since there is no internet connection required, there is zero risk of outside forces compromising the company's IT security. Furthermore, combining the Delta T with maintenance inspection windows provides the maintenance team with information on what connection or component is failing. The team can measure the actual temperature of the failing component, and this allows the team to schedule remedial action to fix the problem based on severity. This combination also eliminates the possibility of false positive alarms. Christopher and his team decide that the Delta T alert system is the perfect tool for their condition-based surveillance project.